Hello students, once again I Pramod sir welcome you all in 7th standard maths class. So students, in the lesson algebraic expressions and identities, today we are going to deal with an activity. You can see here students, activity: construct the pattern of double squares with masticks. Students, it is single square, right? It is single square. ये single square है. Double square means 1 plus 1. ये double. These are double square, right? So construct the pattern of double squares with mastics. तो mastics हमको यूज करना है और double square ये जैसा ये एक हो गया double square, ठीक है? एंड राइट द जनरलाइज्ड स्टेटमेंट. तो जनरलाइज्ड स्टेटमेंट भी हमको लिखना है. हियर स्टूडेंट यू कैन सी फॉर द वन नंबर ऑफ डबल स्क्वायर्स आई हैव रिटन हियर, एंड इफ देयर इज ओनली वन डबल स्क्वायर, देन लेट अस काउंट द mastics required. So here for the first one, here you can see the first double square I have drawn like this. With the help of mastics, I stick them there on the paper. Let us count. First of all, horizontal one, 1, 2, 3. Now the vertical one, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means students, we need 7 mastics. So in the next column you can see number of mastics. For one we need 7 mastics. Right students? We need 7 mastics. Now students, for double, 2 double squares. Now students, 2 double squares. अगर ऐसे हमको 2 double squares बनाने हैं तो कितने लगेंगे? यहाँ पर कितने लगेंगे? लगेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have seen that, right? Now for 2 double squares, you can see here, that is, I have drawn this with the help of mastics. I pressed there, right? I am going to count the number of mastics now. 1 2 3 4 5 6. ये हॉरिजॉन्टल हो गए 6. अब वर्टिकल 7 8 9 10 11 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. सॉरी, यहाँ पर 12 है. देखो हॉरिजॉन्टल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so students, here what we need here, 12 mastics we need. So I am going to write that we need 12 mastics, right? Now for 3 double squares, let us once again count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9. Now vertical one, 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So students, for 3 double squares we need 17 mastics. I have written here, you can see 17. Now for 4, first of all horizontal one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now vertical one students, 12 हो गए. 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So students, for 4 double squares we need 22, right? What we need? 22 mastics. Now students, you can see here I have drawn 1 2 3, 4, 5. Actually, I prepare 5 double squares. How many? 5 double squares here with the help of mastic and glue. Okay. Now, the horizontal one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now the vertical one. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Here we need 27 mastics. यहाँ पर हमको लगे स्टूडेंट्स 27 mastics, right? So in this way we can draw some of the patterns with by using mastics and related to double squares, right? Now students, what we are going to see, let me explain. Here we can find the series as I earlier told you, 7, 12, 17, 22, 27 and so on, right students? And students, I told you that let's observe this. You can see the difference is 5. Difference is 5, right? That means 5 into number of double squares. And now 5 तो डिफरेंस हो गया और 5 से ये जो फर्स्ट है हमारा सीरीज में वो कितने से ज़्यादा है? 2 से ज़्यादा है, तो 5x plus 2 आएगा. 7 is 2 more than 5, so 5x plus 2 आएगा हमारा. ये हो जाएगा हमारा जनरलाइज्ड स्टेटमेंट, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? वंस अगेन I want to clear you this thing with the help of this calculation. Let us see here students. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 double squares. So how we get a 22? So students, you can see here. Here 22 mastics required. And how we get 22? It is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 double squares. So 5 into 4 plus 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. In this way हमको 22 मिला था, right? Now for 5 you can see, अगर हमने 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया किसको? Number of double squares, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 into 5 plus 2 कितना हो गया? 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. So here we can say 27 mastics required. Similarly, you can say here that 5 into 3, right? Because 1, 2, 3 double squares plus 2. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2, that is 17 mastics we required. And for the first one students, you know it very well now. 5 into 1 plus 2. Then what will we get? 7, right? 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. And here students, for 2, 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. What we need? 12 mastics we need. So students, these answers are in series. We have found the relation in between these, and we can say that it is nothing but the generalized statement is 5 into number of double square, that is 5x plus 2. So students, with the help of this generalized statement, that is 5x plus 2, we can find out a number of mastics required for any number of double squares. अगर समझ लो मुझे ऐसे जो डबल स्क्वायर्स है स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे बहुत सारे बनाने हैं। आई नीड मेनी। अगर मुझे ऐसे डबल स्क्वायर्स बहुत बनाने हैं, समझो कि मुझे 15 बनाने हैं या 17 बनाने हैं, we can take one example here. Now you can see here students that what we have done here, I need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 डबल स्क्वायर। ऐसे हमको कितने बनाने हैं? 12। Here students, for making 12 double squares, how many mastics will be required? Now students, we need not to count like this 1 2 3 4 5 6. No. We need not that. What we do, simply 5 into 12 number of double square, 1 2 ऐसे करके कितना है? 12. So 5 into 12 plus 2. So 12 5 are 60 plus 2 62. So students, with the help of this generalized statement for making double squares, the number of sticks we can calculate very easily. So students, you have to do this activity at your home. Okay, see you in next class. Bye bye.